Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go on with Pythagoras Theorem. So let's have a quick look and a bit of an example at what this is. Before we can start though, let's give this a try. We'll draw our right angle triangle, and this is really going to demonstrate ultimately what we're meaning by these Pythagoras ratios. So we have our right angle triangle here, and we can see, yeah, right angle there. And let's say we have this side being 3 meters. This side we've got 4 meters. And finally, right here, we're going to say this one is 5 meters. Believe it or not, this is the most common of all the perfect right triangle measurements. So what we're going to do to explain this, off this side here, off our first side, we're going to simply take this value and we're going to divide it into 3. We've got 3 meters along that side, so we're going to divide it into, well, we're going to multiply it by 3. We're going to square it, and that gives us 9 meters squared. We're then going to come down to our 4, and we're going to split that one. Sorry, rather than split it, we're going to square it out. So we've just gone here, and very similar to our last one, we now have 16 meters squared. Now I'm guessing you can kind of guess what's coming next. Not the green. We're going to square off this 5 as well. Okay, so I will do my best to get it as square as possible. 1, 2, now, yes, I do understand that they're not all even, but just bear with me here. So, what we find out here is that with one of our sides, one of our shorter sides, our 3 meter side, if we square that out to 9, we get 9 meters squared. Well, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 meters squared, okay? But how many do we have left over? Well, I think you might be interested to find out that we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There you go, 16 of them left over. And what this tells us is that if we take the value of this squared and the value of our base squared and add them together, we will get the value of this one squared. And it works for every single right angle triangle. So put quite simply, our formula becomes c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Now, which one of these is a and which one of them is b doesn't really matter, because what we're doing here is we're saying that 5 squared should equal 3 squared plus 4 squared, which if we work it out, 25 should equal 9 plus 16, which as we can see does. 25 equals 25. Now that is the Pythagoras theory without any other working out or any other problems. In another video, we will go on to a demonstration of how we can figure this out. But if you have any questions, please write them down. We'll go through them in class. Please, if you do have any questions, can't stress that enough, bring them to class and we'll work through them. Okay, catch you later.